Here I have Nokia XR21, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time, like this. Like this. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down. Like not this side key, but power key and volume down. One last time. And let's get it. So you can find your screenshots in the gallery, in the screenshots section. Here they are. And from here you can share, edit, search with lens, or delete your screenshots, or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.